First, we have our green leaf that came off the tree. And it's flat and thin. And it's usually green when it's on the tree. The color, you want to touch it? Feel that. And it's attached with this stem that is on here. It is attached by the stem. That's what's going to help hold it together. And this part is called the blade of the leaf. And the blade of the leaf is where it gets its food and its nutrition that helps it grow. And its food includes things like water and carbon dioxide and minerals. But today we're going to find out why some of the leaves in the fall change color. Why do we see red and yellow and maybe some orange in the fall when we look at the tree? These are some of the colors I found this morning. Yeah, look. It feels kind of slick, like it has wax on it. And we have yellows and reds and green to get mixed together. Uh-huh. Look, Tyler, you want to touch this one? It feels real waxy. When summer starts fading away, we start having shorter days. And we have less sunlight. So when we start having less sunlight, that is a sign that the leaf should start getting ready for the winter to come. And when they're getting ready for the winter, they're going to quit making this chlorophyll that turns them green. And when they stop making it, it's just going to kind of wither away, getting ready to die. That's when it turns into all of these colors. And this starts from the inside and then it moves to the outside. That's why when you pick up a leaf in the fall, you can see all of these colors coming to it, starting from the inside out. And our experiments, and also another thing in the fall, you can have an early winter, like an early drought, or you can have an early frost. And if you do, these leaves might fall off and die and not even change colors. This has happened before. But in our experiment, we have a jar that has crushed up green leaves in our jar. All the green leaves crushed up. And I poured alcohol into the jar with the leaves. And I took my fork, and look, Carter, I just mashed my leaves all up. And it made the water turn sort of a light green color when I mashed it up, Carter. Look at there. So now you can see, if you look in the light, some of it is starting to lose its greenness. Some of the leaves are starting to be less green. Look, see there? See how they're looking? They're beginning to turn. Yeah. And they're not as green as they were when we put them in. And our water's getting darker. See how green, how dark green the water's getting in there? And look, we also have a coffee filter taped down in here, because when we pull the coffee filter out, we're gonna see some color change. Maybe a little bit of yellow, a little bit of orange. This out and see if we're seeing any color change yet. I see
some green, a little green maybe?
Yeah. A little yellow coming through. So I thought we would leave it in here a while and then I can go back and let you see just exactly how much color change we have. So this is the process that takes place with the leaves that you find in your yard, because they're going through the dying process. And then when winter comes, you probably won't see any leaves on your tree. So we know that this chlorophyll, which is the green pigment that is found in the leaves, all the leaves have this chlorophyll. And that's why there's such bright green leaves on the different trees when they first come up. And now then they're working to this. Growing and changing in nature. Okay then. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Diane.
Yeah.